Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Sendinblue Brevo with AI for campaign optimization, complete guide step by step clearly. To start configuring Sendinblue Brevo with AI for campaign optimization, log into your Sendinblue Brevo account. Once logged in, navigate to the campaigns section from the dashboard. Select Create a Campaign to begin the setup process. Choose your campaign type, such as a regular email or an automated one. Enter a name for your campaign to easily identify it later. Next, select your email list or choose a segment for targeting your audience. Now, proceed to design your email by using the drag-and-drop editor or selecting a pre-made template. Customize your email content, ensuring it is engaging and relevant to your audience. Once your email design is complete, click on the Next button to move to the Settings page. In the Settings page, you can choose your sender name and email address for authenticity. Locate the AI Features section and enable AI-assisted optimization for your campaign. Set your campaign objectives, such as engagement or conversion, to help guide the AI's recommendations. Review the AI-generated suggestions for subject lines and content improvements. Make any necessary adjustments based on the AI's feedback to enhance your email. Next, specify your send time by selecting either a specific date or using the optimized send time feature for better results. Once everything looks perfect, review your campaign summary on the final overview screen. If you're satisfied with all the settings and designs, click the Send button to launch your campaign. After sending, monitor your campaign's performance through the Analytics dashboard. Check key metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversions to measure success. Use these insights to refine future campaigns and improve overall optimization strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.